Hi there, and welcome to another video on the Byte Size channel. Today, I'll be giving you an introduction to the BoolAnim op. I'd like you to pause the video and just make what you see here. Great, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to make a toggle bool op. This will allow me to send out a true or false value which alternates when I press this button. You can see that here. Great. Now, let's pull this out and get the BoolAnim op. So this is going to allow me to animate between two values based upon a Boolean. So it needs a trigger. I'm going to grab this. And if we click it, we can take a look. And here we have the easing mode, the duration. I'm going to set this to 1. And we have the value if it's false and the value if it's true. So let's just show this in its simplest way. We're going to grab this and we're going to plug it into the width. I'm going to go to toggle bool and I'll press this. As you can see, it now alternates between these two values depending on if it's true or false. If I now go to the easing mode and I put it on exponential in out, we get a different kind of behavior. Great. So we can stack these guys together. I'm going to grab another one. I'm going to plug this here. I'm going to plug the bool into the bool input. And this one, the value, I'm now going to plug into height. And let's put this on the duration of 2. I'm going to click this, and if I now trigger it, as you can see, we get a very different kind of animation result. So I could create another one. Let's just grab the trigger from here. And I'm going to grab the bool, and I'm going to put that there. And I could now animate it from 0 to, say, 180. And I'm going to plug that into the transform rotate Z. Now if I do this, as you can see, we come up with this really cool, simple motion graphic. And we can go a lot further than this. So, for example, we could now use one of these values to change the RGB of this material. So if we get the value here, which is always between 0 and 1, and I plug this into red, green, and blue, and I now trigger, we get this kind of fade in and fade out. So another thing you can do with BoolAnim is you can say, I only want it to do something depending on if it's true or only false or both. So I'm going to put this on only true. And now watch what happens. So we now get this rotation on true, but no rotation on false. So you can combine these ops to create a huge amount of very subtle differences and to add a lot of motion and life to your animations inside of your cables patches. Okay, that was an introduction to the BoolAnim op. I hope this video has been educational and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them under the video below or to post them on the forums. Thanks for watching. Bye.